What's up, webworkers? Amar here, and in today's video, tip number 2 about PLR content leverage, we will see how you can start building an email list using the PLR content. So there will be other tips and tricks coming soon in the future days, so please subscribe to the channel to get notified, and also feel free to comment or ask questions down below the video. So in order to build an email list of subscribers, you will need basically 3 things. The software, which is an autoresponder, an email marketing software, and you need the pages that you will show to your visitors. We call this a funnel. You have, like, for example, this one is called the squeeze page, the bridge page, and the thank you page, while the email address of the prospect of the subscriber will get saved to the autoresponder software. But you need also something that is very important, and it's called the lead magnet. That's the reason why people subscribe to your list, and they want to be able to download it usually instantly into the thank you page. And that lead magnet needs to be something of a great value, so that you can build trust between you and your subscribers. Now the question is, where can you come up with those lead magnets that you're giving away? And also, in multiple occasions, you can also come with the funnel itself. So you can, from PLR sources, you can get the lead magnets and also the funnels in many times. So for the first tool, the autoresponder, personally I use GetResponse, which is a great software. Actually, it is very simple to use, and it has lots of powerful features, while the price is very good actually. And then if you would like to register an account with GetResponse, you will get 1 month for free. So this is a good tool to manage all your lists and also all your email marketing campaigns. So I recommend this software, and if you want to register, you can check in the description below and you will see my affiliate link. So it will be a great support if you do it from there. Now the second thing is the pages themselves. So multiple PLR products offer lots of pages and mini sites that you can use as squeeze pages or any other type of pages. So if you go, for example, here to my website here, and then you scroll down, you will see this offer here about 20 mini sites. These are a very good quality actually mini sites. Let me show you the page itself. So here are the mini sites that you can get with the private label rights license. So you can edit them, you can resell them, you can use them for any kind of projects you want. So this is a great PLR product actually that will help you a lot in your list building efforts. So if you already have like some pages, a PLR product that offer you some pages like this or mini sites like this, and you don't know how to edit them, you can just go ahead and search for my other videos where I walk you through everything to edit these pages. And then the third thing that we will need is the lead magnet. So multiple PLR websites like offer you free products, and you can upgrade to get better products. But I went to plr.me and I got these few products here, like this one, for example, is speaking about success, wealth, and prosperity, and this one is building a personal brand. So if I open the product and I go to reports and I go to source I will find this file here, which can make a great lead magnet. So it's called Building Your Personal Brand and Becoming an Influencer, a step-by-step guide. So this is exactly what we want, something that is quick but effective. It is formatted very well. All you have to do is like add your personal touch. You can add images related to the topic inside the ebook. You can also add the first page here. You can make an ebook e-cover graphic and put it on the first page. You can put a frame for the pages. You can add a footer where you can add a link to your website, etc. So it is not very hard to come up with great lead magnets, and then you can put everything together and start promoting your pages to get new subscribers to your email list. So building an email list is probably the most common use of PLR products, but definitely very effective. Practically everyone likes to get something for free, and many people use ebooks to really introduce themselves and the information they have to offer. And you can also use the PLR content to create newsletters or follow-ups. Once the prospect, once you have the email address of your prospect, you can communicate with him, and then you can send the newsletters and follow-ups. So this is it, guys, for the video of today. I hope you got some value from it. And again, one more time, if you want to receive notifications about the future tips and tricks, so you can just go ahead, subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications, and feel free to comment and ask questions at the bottom, and I will see you on the next video.